Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the image's legal status and selecting a usable license. First, find the image source and confirm whether it's public domain or CC0, or if it requires attribution like CC BY. Once done, run a reverse image search to validate origin and detect copies or claims. Make sure to capture metadata and a screenshot of the license page for records. This step prevents surprises later and gives you the evidence you need if ownership is questioned. Next, follow the license terms while using or editing the image. For CC BY, you must credit the creator. For non-commercial or no derivatives, do not use commercially or alter without permission. If the license is unclear, contact the owner and request written permission or a license agreement. Make sure terms specify use, duration, and fees, if any. Alternatively, pick CC0/public domain images or license stock, or commission a photographer to get a clean rights transfer and avoid future disputes. Finally, apply proper credits and keep documentation for every image you use. Place an on-screen credit or caption naming the creator and license, and retain permission emails, receipts, and screenshots in a central log. If a rights claim appears, act quickly. Produce your records to counter a takedown, remove the image until resolved, or negotiate a retroactive license. One troubleshooting tip: always keep dated evidence of the license and communications to resolve disputes fast and protect your project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.